Hey knitters! Okay, so what I'm going to show you right now is a little bit of tips and tricks to stranded knitting because you want to have your floats in the back just right, and if you have it consistent, it'll look neat and tidy. So for this one here, I will show you how to get your floats looking pretty like this. And I'll show you also too what your knit and purl stitches should look like. And this is what your purl stitches should look like. And also I will show you basically how to get it the same as your other sweater to match it. Because sometimes what happens is you put your project away and you're like, well, how did I do that? Did I put this color first or that color first? So I'm just going to explain a little bit of which colors match where when you want it to look specifically this way. Now you can always do the opposite, but let's get started into the tips and tricks video for this particular cuff for a sleeve while you're working on your stranded knitting on any project. This works great for everything. All right, knitters, let's go look at the tutorial. It was looking off. I mean, sort of, I don't know. I didn't like it. I was not impressed with it. So I took it out. And so now you have it all neat on the back. See? Now it's looking at, the other one looked like a moss stitch on the back. Like I was doing double-sided knitting. I don't know what I did. I don't know, I didn't like it. So now it's looking like the other cuff. This is for the short sleeve. I'm working on the short sleeve right now. The other one I did the long sleeve. Now I'm working on the short sleeve right now. So now that I'm getting it exactly like the other one, okay. That's how we want it to look. Knit to white. So as we go, the white's always on the top and the green is always on the bottom to get your floats the way I have it. Okay, and we're always putting it on the back, and then we move the knit forward. And then you knit two. Okay, and then you bring the white back, and then you purl the green. Okay, and the green stays in the back. And then you move the white forward, then you knit two. Okay, white in the back. Now you're purling your green. White stays on top. Always white in the front to knit on top, green on the bottom. Okay, move the white back, and then you're purling your green. Okay. All right. All right, so we're going to knit two green. Okay. Purl two white, bring that forward. Purl one. Purl two. Okay. Leave the white on the top, the green on the bottom, and you knit. Okay. White stays on the top, bring it forward. We're purling. Okay. We're going to knit. Green's on the bottom. And there you go. Now it's consistent with the other cuff on the longer sleeve. The consistency is there, and that's what you want. Okay? So that's from keeping the white on the top and grabbing the green on the bottom. That's how we got that. And then if you look on the front, your knit and purl is now consistent with the long sleeve. And that's what you want.